How to make free AI avatars like this. If you have a faceless YouTube channel, it is very important for you to know about this free website. You can make these AI avatars for free, even with your mobile phone. In this video, you'll learn all the steps from avatar generation to watermark removal, so that you can make your free AI avatar. Firstly, we'll head up to Create AI. For making the AI image, we'll head up to Create AI. The image prompt is in the description. After writing the prompt, we'll select the aspect ratio of our image. After that, we'll just click on Generate. After a while, Create AI will generate 4 images for you, which are very high quality. You can also regenerate the images again if you want. Here are the free credits you get every day. I really like this one that I generated earlier. I'll just click on download and then we'll animate it. Now we'll head up to Dub AI to convert the image into AI avatar. Dub AI offers you a ton of services, but for now, we'll choose AI avatar. As you can see, there are a lot of photo avatars that you can choose, but I'll upload the custom avatar that we made. After uploading your desired image, you can use these tools to enhance it, and after that you can either use Dub to generate voiceover or just upload your own voiceover. I'll use my own AI generated voiceover. Now let's play it. Hi there, I made this AI avatar using AI. On the left, you can also use motion avatars or gestures avatar if you want. After that, just hit generate and don't worry about the Dub AI watermark. I'll remove it in the next step. After a while, your AI avatar will be generated. Let's see how it is. Hi there, I made this AI avatar using AI. It looks very good. Even the lip sync is spot on. Hi there, I made this AI avatar using AI. Now that you've built your AI avatar, which looks awesome, the next challenge is making it actually work for you. Not just to look cool, but help you grow. And that's where today's sponsor really comes in clutch. It's called Head, and it's like having a marketing genius in your back pocket. Head is an intelligent, living AI that learns your brand's voice and evolves with you, so your content is always fresh, always on brand, without you lifting a finger. I personally also use Head to create campaigns, and it's really good. Think content creation, daily posts, ad optimization, all handled, but it doesn't stop there. Head even runs influencer campaigns, affiliate marketing, cold outreach, the whole deal. Need scroll-stopping visuals? Head generates stunning promo videos and social graphics in seconds, no design team needed. If you're a creator or run a product-based business, Head helps you monetize fast. From landing brand deals to unlocking new revenue streams, it's effortless, it's effective. As creators, we're juggling content, captions, uploads, collabs, emails, it's a lot. Head acts like a behind-the-scenes marketing team that knows your brand better than you do. Think. Brand deals, cold outreach, affiliate campaigns, all handled automatically. More income and less hustle. And yeah, it shows you the real numbers, no guesswork, just results. So if you're ready to level up your brand and let AI do the heavy lifting, check out Head. Links in the description. Now let's remove the watermark from this video. This might look very complicated, but it's actually really simple. You can use any editing software for this. Just drag and drop the AI image underneath the video layer and make sure the size of both the image and video are the same. Now just head up to the effect panel and go to opacity and click on the pen tool icon, which will help you in making a mask. Now make a mask around the watermark and just click on inverted and your watermark will be removed. Hi there, I made this AI avatar using AI. Hi there, I made this AI avatar using AI. If you made it this far, consider subscribing, and if you want to know how I generate my voiceovers with AI for free, check out this video and I'll see you there.